everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about the integrations of rational functions by partial fractions. So let's start. The integration of rational functions by the partial fractions. The partial function is decomposition is a technique used to break down rational functions into some of the simple rational functions that can be integrated using the previously learned techniques. So there are some example that we must understand and how to integrate a rational function by the partial fraction. So example number one, we have the integrations of 1 over x squared minus 4 dx. So we're gonna do is we need to this one, the denominators, we're gonna factors. So our factor will be x plus 2 and x minus 2. And then we have the integrations of 1 over x plus 2 and x minus 2 dx. Then we done to factor, and we need to find the value of e and b. It because if we are familiar the linear and the quadratic functions, so the example of linear fractions is this will be the linear fractions. So examples will be x or 3x or x plus 4, and last will be x 4x minus 5. So that is an example of the linear fractions. If we are familiar the quadratic equations, will be the examples will be x squared, x squared plus 4, x squared plus 3x, and x squared plus 2x plus 7. So that is the example of quadratic fractions. So if we are using the linear, so this one, this is the linear fractions. So RA will be, A is first linear will be x plus 2, so the A will be over x plus 2, and the second linear fractions is x negative 2, so B is equal x minus 2. Then next is, so we are done to simplify the different linear, and we are going to multiply this. We're going to multiply the linear one. So by the both side we're gonna multiply. So if we're going to multiply, so this one linear fractions and this one will be cancel. So cancel. So ang natira will be 1. So the A the A and the constant will be A here, and multiply by this one. So cancel the x plus, cancel this one and cancel. So ang new one will be A and x minus 2. And the B is, so we have the B or the constant of B. So cancel, so multiply from this one. So cancel the 2 and x negative 2. So will be x plus 2. Then if we're gonna find the value of A is, so RA will be we need to multiply this one, and this one is will be 0. So RA will be 0 and plus B 4. So RA will be 4B. Then 1 over 4 is equal 4B minus 4. Then we're gonna cancel this 4. So we have B is equal 1 over 4. So the values of B will be 1 over 4. So next is we have to find the value of A. So by we're using the x is equal negative 2. Then if we're going to multiply this one, so multiply this one. So we have 1 x2 minus 2 plus RB will be 0. So RA will be negative 4A. Then 1 over 4 is equal negative 4A over 4. So cancel the 4. 4 over 4. So RA will be negative 1 and 4. So we are done to find the value of A and B. We need to put RA and this one. So we need to change the value of A and B. So we have the integrations of negative 1 over 4. So that will be the value of A over x plus 2 plus the value of B will be 1 over 4x minus 2 dx. Then how to integrate the rational function and by using the formula. So we need to use this formula by x 1 over x dx is equal to 1 in x. So that we're going using that formula. So first is this one and this the value of A and B. So we can get the into the constant to the front. So we need to get into the constant to the front. So we have negative 1 over 4, the integrations of 1 over x plus 2 dx plus 1 over 4, the integrations of 1 x minus 2 dx. So we need to use the formula is which is the integrations of 1 over x dx and in to x. So we have the negative 1 over 4 in x plus 2 plus 1 over 4 in x minus 2 plus c. So our answer will be 1. So we have 1 over 4 in x plus 2 negative 1 in x plus 2 plus c.